back to my channel, and today we're going to do a skincare video and we're going to do a review for this one. This is the Yes DIY powder to clay mask, and without any further ado, let's go started and do this DIY powder to clay mask. And by the way, my name is Princess, and there you go guys, let's go. So before we go started to mix this into a bowl with other ingredients that I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to mix with this one. First, I'm going to read anything that it says it claims in this DIY powder to clay mask. This is the Yes 2 Tomatoes Clear Skin. This is for all skin types. This is the detoxifying charcoal, and then it has a mixing bowl and spoon included inside. And then it has the natural 99% ingredients in it. It has 0.17 ounces or 5 grams, and don't mind the noise in the background because that's April. And this is only a single-use mask. At the back, it says it's the charcoal, a natural detoxifier and impurity remover to deep clean skin, not just for barbecues anymore. Tomatoes, a natural source of antioxidants. Who knew? We did. And then at the back, it says you can use it. You can mix it with yogurt. That makes you a moisture boost in it, and then you can mix it with honey. That makes it helps your smooth skin, or you can mix it with orange juice for a vitamin C and radiance boost. And then if you're going to mix it with lemon, it will energize your tired skin. And then for nourished skin, you can add avocados. And the last but not the least is if you can mix green tea to help reduce redness. So let's go start mix this charcoal clay mask, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to mix with it. So guys, this one in the back, you can mix everything in it. So we're going to assemble the box or the mixing bowl for this one. There you go. And then it has this spoon, this small spoon to mix it up. And then the charcoal is here. So we're going to add it up here. Some paper towel there. And I'm using green tea here. And then here it is. Here's the green tea. Here is the green tea. Just gonna put some and mix it a little bit. And add more, 1 spoon. And it's still warm. And now we're going to add lemon juice. And mix it up again. This time we're going to add honey. And mix everything up. So now we're going to apply it to my face. And it says here, apply it to your face, relax for 10 minutes or 20 for an even deeper treatment. Remove with a damp face cloth, then rinse with warm water. So we're going to apply now. So we're going to put like 20 minutes because I have like a thick layer of this one. So I'll be back after 20 minutes, guys. So guys, here I'm back and this is how it looks like after it dried out. I already cracked it up and it's already tight, so tight that I can't even smile. Oh, that hurts. So I'm going to wash my face with warm water and I'll be right back. I'm going to tell you guys what's my opinion, my review for this Yes Clay Mask, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back after I washed my face with warm water and I can tell there's a difference. I have like a reddish right now on my face because of the clay mask, but it's okay because I put the honey that it gives me the smooth feeling, and then I've got that one, and then I add lemon to give me energized with my tired skin, and I can tell that it helped it. But for the green tea, I didn't see any difference because it turned out to be reddish, but as so far it did help to reduce the tiredness and give me that smooth skin after using this clay mask. And then I think this is like around $3 per mask, and I bought this one at Walmart. I think you can buy this one too on Target or whoever, like any store that what do you call this, sells these Yes brand. And then don't mind the background again because April's playing. She woke up after her nap. So I will recommend this one if you want to try it out, and it's very affordable clay mask, and you can mix it whatever you wanted, like orange, honey, yogurt, lemon, avocado, or green tea in it. So you already know what you have to put in it. It's like kind of like DIY fresh as much as possible. So that's only for you guys, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Comment below what do you guys think about this clay mask, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and have a great day, and thanks for watching, guys.